Hello, Westminster, and it is Erin here, and I'm here to share with you how to navigate our YouTube channel. We have made some upgrades to it to make it easier to find some videos that you might be looking for. So right now you're looking at the Google web browser, and if you go to the top of your web browser and you type in YouTube, you will see your own personal YouTube here. This is mine. And if you have subscribed to Westminster's YouTube, you go down to the left and you scroll down, you'll see subscriptions over here and you find Westminster. You click on that and it takes you to Westminster's page, okay? So in the past, you'd have to, oh my goodness, there's so many videos, I don't know how to find the one I'm looking for. So now all you have to do is come across the top, you see Home, Videos, Playlists. You're going to stop right here, click on Playlists, and then scroll down. And you can see all the different categories that we have now. We have slideshows. This would be things like the Memorial Day slideshow, the graduation slideshow, any other slideshows that April shows during a church service. Not the whole service, just the slideshow will be put in this category. Church-related messages and messages from our pastor. So right now in this category, updates on the new church renovation are in here. April's message from last year at the beginning of pandemic, that's in here. Things like that. Educational, Mr. Wingfield's educational message to our kids is in here. A couple of other educational type messages are in here. Children's book read alouds, that's pretty self-explanatory. Wednesday WOW classes, the Lenten Wednesday classes are in here. Any other virtual classes that we record will be in here. Next row, holiday and special worship services. So this one will be Christmas, Easter, Ash Wednesday, any holiday, the Advent and Lent services that we do with the presbytery, those will all be put in here. The Christmas and Easter services will also be in Red Door and Open Door. They'll be in both categories. Friday coffee and devotionals. These are April's Friday devotions. They're all in one place now, so you can find them if you want to see them again. Virtual choirs and living room concert series. All here, so if you want to watch those lovely musical bits again, you can. Here's Open Door Worship, Red Door Worship. Any blended services are in both. And drive-through experiences for Christmas and Easter and children's messages. So now it is easy to navigate through our YouTube channel and find what you are looking for. Moving forward, as we live stream or upload new videos, they will be categorized accordingly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or anyone on our sound or AV team. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.